Hello everyone, my name is Tejasvi, student of Little Angel Higher Secondary School, Kathua. As we all know that the result of 8th standard was declared yesterday and I have got 487 out of 500, that is 97.5%. And I am really satisfied with my result. I want to thank all my teachers, my parents and my family and especially God. Thank you.
I am Janvi Bhandari, student of Little Angels Higher Secondary School, Kathua. As we all know that Class 8 result was declared yesterday and I scored 482 marks out of 500. That is 96.4%. I am really happy with my result and I also want to thanks to my parents, my all teachers, and thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha, student of Little Angels High Secondary School, Kathua. As we all know that the result of 8th class was declared yesterday. I achieved 96% because of my teachers, parents and especially God. Thank you.
Viewers for the opportunity to speak. I am Knalki from the Angels Higher Secondary School, Kathua. As we all know that yesterday class 8 result was declared and I got 480 marks out of 500, that is 96% in class 8. I really want to thank my parents, especially mom, teachers and God. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Rahi Sharma from Little Angel High Secondary School, Kathua. As you all know that the result of class 8 was declared yesterday. I got 578 out of 500. That is 95.6%. This is all because of my teachers, parents and everyone. I am Rahi Sharma from Little Angel High Secondary School, Kathua. As you all know that the result of class 8 was declared yesterday. I got 478 out of 500. That is 95.6%. This is all because of my parents and teachers. Thank you.
And I am the student of Little Angel High Secondary School, Kathua. As you all know that the result of 8th class had been declared yesterday. So I got 477 out of 500, that is 95.4%. And yes, it is because of the involvement of my teachers, parents and Chachu also who encouraged me. And yes, it is the sweet fruit of my hard work. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Arushi and I am a student of Little Angels High Secondary School, Kathua. As you know, result of class 8 has declared, so I am very delighted to tell you that I got 95%. I would like to thank my teachers and also my parents. Thank you.
First of all, I am Deepika of Little Angel Higher Secondary School, Kathua. So as you all know that the result of 8th class has been declared yesterday and I got 94.8% in that. I want to thank all my teachers and especially my parents who supported me in this field. Thank you.
Good afternoon one and all. I am Nikun, student of Little Angels High Secondary School. As you know that class 8 result has been declared and I got 472 marks out of 500. That is 94.4%. I want to thanks to my parents and my teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon one and all. This is Sakshi Rashford from Little Angel Higher Secondary School, Kathua. As you all know that the result of class 8 was declared yesterday and I got 94%. So I would like to thanks to my teachers and especially my parents. Thank you.
I, Lavanya Khullar, Principal, Little Angels Higher Secondary School, Kathua, congratulate all the students who have appeared and passed in class 8th examination whose result got declared yesterday. As far as our result is concerned, 44 students appeared from our institute, out of which 43 students got distinction and 1 student got first division with 100% result. The highest marks secured from our institution is secured by Miss Tejasvi Sharma, who secured 487 marks out of 500, followed by Janvi Bhandari, who secured 482 marks. Kunal Kashyap secured 480 marks, followed by Akansha Mehra, who secured 480 marks, and followed by Rahi, who secured 478 marks. I congratulate all the students and wish them best of luck for the upcoming future. Thank you.